guys, today this is the breakfast of my kids. This is kavalis and naan and brown beans. Plus I put chicken, tomato. So yummy guys. Then this I will bring also in school with rice. Sometimes with roti. But today I will send rice. So with chicken, with balambarina, and everything. Yum! Masarap talaga siya. Super sarap. At healthy for the protein for kids. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me guys. Bye.